Good evening, everyone. But first of all, I would like to greet the debutant for today, for tonight, the person of our Apo, Krisha Camille Nikdao Chaneco. Secondly, we want to welcome the guests who were able to make this tonight's affair to share with the debutant the joy and happiness of this event. And also, I would like to greet everyone, especially our families, Charlie and Annalyn, the mother of the debutant, and the debutant's kid brothers and sister, is Uncle Raymond and Tita Angel. Of course, also the members of the respective families, their friends, who were able to give their time to be with the debutant so that this affair will be a great event. Ing apumi nga ini, numerically, iyang number 1. Kasi minunayang diling lintong, abiniyan nga pong Ginoo, kengke kami angkan, Nikdao Chaneco. Although ang denglinto kadwa, katlo, kapat, kalima, and up to the latest, talagang number 1 na pamurin, kimpusumi. But, ini nga po mi ini, pablas ang pigagap ming agad mi kaya po when Charlie and Annalyn went before the altar of God. Masaya kami. Panayan min talagang datang niya yung first angel kay kaming pamilya. Kanyapin asasabi mi mong number 1. Pero tutupo na number 1 iya Krisha Camille. Uling ba ni bating linto, yaman ba't niya malatiya? Ikit min pandagol na. She is such a great apple of the eye. Kaya may sakit na buntok, masasya buntok, kumbaga, she follows house rules. Lalo na istong sasabihan ng mana o tatang na. Kami, we were just waiting on the sidelines. But ing tula at sayang binyan ng Krisha Camille, emunanong. Kanyapin up to now, pakamalan bilangan din, pero didinan ming ditak advantage yung pamagalto ng Krisha Camille kaya tinyatong iti. Kasi talagang mumuna yung dili. Dinagulyang role model, kayang kapatad at tukitok ng linto keti. She is such a good big sister to her kid brothers. Eko ikit mi pate-pate. At saka, ini nga po mi nga ini, at may kalugod, lalo na kareng matwa, kareng apog na sinesena ng apog ng goya, migdaton la karela, pero once in a while, matutupad itang, kumbaga itang panayan ming pasyalan na kami, at tatandanan ko pa, in nga po kung ini, matutudya, isa keno parang bitis na kaya salo ko, buti na mo, during that time, in salo ng lolo Ben na, bala mo, salo na pa Superman, pero ngini alina, lalo na maraguli Krisya. Pag maragul kayo nga po kung ini, pag maragul because iya kumbaga ing kadwa kang mana, iya ing mamantabi kareng wali na para luntola namang maya pa pami ugali. Ang pupang pami kakapatad da, It's so good. Magalang la kareng-karelang kareng-karelang apu, ingkong, kareng-karelang bapa, kareng-karelang dara, and to everyone who comes along your way. Inyapin buriking sambitlan for the last time, kaya kami talagang pake keng video grama ini, Krisha Babe, happy birthday. At manano na sanang pagkalubaan ka pang makabang biyering akong Ginoo. As you enter the world of young adults, panalangin mi katma na kapang grasya ni nga pong Ginoo, so you can reach your dreams. Emong metupad itang dapat pinatso kami ken o ning balo mo na ing sangkan may kidney transplant ko, thanks God, pero may itong kareng may bawal ing magbiyahi within this year from the time may opera ko. So itapin medyo makalungkot mo rin, kaya bengi pero in spirit akayabera ka. Mupin MIBA tang kaya kami physical pamangawol kaya ka on this event, on this very important event. So, what else? See you in 2015. Nung yaman metupad nga ni, in 2015 we will make it. Okay? Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you very much.